Today we are going to make a delicious side dish for rice with bitter gourd. We bet you will like this. Take 250 grams of finely sliced bitter gourd in a mixing bowl and add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it thoroughly and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Now squeeze it and drain the water. Now add 1 tablespoon of gram flour, 2 teaspoons of rice flour, half a teaspoon of fennel powder, two teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, two teaspoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Mix well and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Heat oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame. Now take a small portion of the mixture and drop it one by one. Stir after 30 seconds. When it turns crispy, take it out. Do the same process for the remaining mixture. Garnish with some fried curry leaves and serve. This will go well with rice. Please try it out and post your feedback.